Welcome to Tuti and Chonky Time Vlog. Yeah.
Welcome. Tingin ka, Kedi.
Yeah.
Tingin ka muna. Welcome to Tuti, Chonky Time Vlog.
Yeah. Okay.
Mag-wave ka, Kedi.
Wave ka dito. Hi. Come on.
Malamig po. Ano po, hindi.
Come on.
Ano na ngayon? Mga 9:30 po dito sa kanila. And we decided to, kasi it's a sunny day, but it's windy. Diba, Tuti? Sabi mo, it's windy. Tingnan niyo yung outfit niya. Ito po yung outfit niya pagka windy. At medyo malamig. Hi Mama, Papa! Lalakas kami tatlo. Iniwan namin yung baby kasi malamig siya itong mahangin. Baka tangayin. Yeah,
Let's cross, let's cross.
nakikita niyo, tingnan niyo yung
Cross,
buko.
cross, cross.
Let's cross, Tutsi. O, tingin ka, Kedi. Mag-hello, kasi ano yun. Hello ka kay Mama at Papa. Dali, tingin o. Hi Mama, hi Papa. How are you? I hope you're good.
Ikot kayo na sarap. Wow, lakas ng hangin. Kama. Kama Tuti, eh? Come.
Wow! Sabi mo, wow! Wow! Sabi mo, wow! Mamaya guys, hindi na yan. Mamaya Mama, Papa, and Uncle and Aunties, titos and titas. Makikita ko sa inyo, walang tinatangay na buhok, Kedi. Kasi kalbo siya. Sabi mo, kalbo. Okay. Are you excited? Yeah. Huh? We're almost near sa dome. Yan po yung dome ni Tuti. Yung red dome niya. It's very near in our house. Kaya dito lang kami nung pumupunta. Yung isang part kasi we need to take a car to get there. So, ito, walking distance lang. Kaya, kailangan namin makabalik sa bahay at least mga 10. Kasi I need to cook for the lunch of Notibot. I will fry fish and yun ang lunch namin. So I'm having a hard time to talk kasi it's so windy here.
Hindi daw.
Kami naman, nakikinis tayo. Kasi tayo sanay ng ganito. Kaya hindi kami lumalabas. Ako, most of the time, I stay home. And si me, my husband, Rene, siya yung in charge sa labas. Kasi mas paano siya. Tawag dito, mas strong ang ano niya sa lamig. But me not. Imagine, no? Parang sa Pilipinas, sobrang init na ganitong oras. Pero dito, there's sun naman siya. Pero sobrang windy talaga. Ito na. Excited na. Mag-swap kami dalawa. Mag-switch kami ni Rene. Dahil kailangan niya dun sa dome niya pumunta. Oh, yeah. Okay, go with D.
Mama,
No. I'll what you call this? I'll take the cell phone with and do the vlog para makita kayo ni T. Mahal ko, magalaw ka naman sa viewers. Hi Tuti, tingin ka muna kay Mimi. Tuti, tingin ka muna. Hi, you are excited to get inside? Opo.
Here.
Oo, here. Oh, what's that? What is that, Tutsi? What is that? Huh? What is that? Oh, no, don't touch that. Yeah. Oh, you get. Go there na, Candy. Sige na, pasok na kayo sa loob. Why no? Why no, Tutsi? It's so windy guys. So look, tingnan nyo tignan niyo po yung puno. Talagang ang lakas. Asan?
Yung ano.
Ayun. What you call this, Malco? Ayun na, nakikita niyo ba, guys? Ano tawag doon, Malco? Ano ba tawag doon? Parang umiikot-ikot na ano siya, yung mga weeds weeds ba yun? Parang weeds siya, guys. Tapos umiikot siya, nagiging bilog siya, parang ball. Yun ang sinasabi ni Tuti na parang ball, tinuturo niyang ganun. But it's not literal na ball. Ito na kami sa dome. Ayaw niya, gusto niya dun sa magka-climb siya. Tutsi, ano daw sabi mo sa sabi ng mga ano mo, followers mo, saan ka daw pupunta? Where are you going?
Park.
Ha?
Park.
Park. So why, Tutsi, you don't like inside the dome? Ha? Down? Ha? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Gusto niyang careful, Tutsi Bot. Tutsi, you need to be careful, ha? Opo. Mag-hello ka muna. Teka muna. Tutsi, paano ba yung pose ng beauty queen daw? Mag-pose ka nga dyan ng beauty queen. Yun naman. Talaga na. Okay. Wave daw. Wave. Wave ng beauty queen. Wave. Yan. Yung lower your butt. Tarararan, tararan, taran. Taran. Okay, bye. Sabi mo, bye. Okay, come here na. Punta ka na doon. Mag-climb ka na.
No.
You don't like us. So, okay. Take a walk again. Maglalakad na lang tayo. You wanna go on the other side?
No.
Let's go on the other side. Come here. Let's go on the other side. There. Take a walk and then we go there. See that?
Ayan.
The other side. Yeah. Malayo-layo po yun, guys. So, lakad-lakad na tayo. Mahangin. Sabihin mo doon it's so windy and cold. What is that, Tutsi? Grass. Grass. Yeah.
Hose, that's irrigation hose.
Sabihin mo, hose.
Hose.
Hose, yeah.
Irrigation hose yan.
What is this?
Truck.
It's a truck. You see the truck? Yeah. Okay, guys. Nakakapagod magsalita pag malamig. Car. What is the color of the car?
Big.
What is the color of this?
Color. What color?
What color is this?
Blue.
Yeah, right. Blue. It's a blue car. Okay, let's find another car, huh? How about that one? Don't you see that? You see that on the other side? Yeah? What color is that? Green. How about that one? Malpaturo mo yun. That one. Don't you see that? No, that one. You see that car? What color is that?
White.
No, that one. Look at
Kami, Tuti.
Where are you going? This way. Go up. Up here. Go sit there, You see that? It's red. Sabi mo, red. Red. Pagod. Hindi na po yata namin kaya kumikot dito sa neighborhood. Ang laki kasi. Pero, syempre, exercise para sa mga tankers. Like, it's a bird. You see the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Oh,
Wala na daw. Wala na.
is that a bird?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see the bird. You see it?
Yeah. Look,
It's a fake
Ayan.
bird.
Ayan there.
No, those are not the birds you see.
Ayan oh.
They are flying.
Ayan oh.
Green. Okay, let's go there so we can see the bird. Oh, nakakapanayo. Nakakapunta yun ng labi. Sabi mo, wala na akong labi. Labi daw, labi. See, you feel cold?
No.
No? I feel cold. Yeah. Dito na po kami, halfway. Halfway on the other side. Kakahingal. Tootsie, I'm tired already. How about you?
Dito tayo, Tuti. Kami.
No, not there. Mato, on the other side.
Ha?
Just move there.
Sige.
Oh, what is that? Car.
Car.
Car. No, the other side. Let's go to the other side. Go there. You see that? Ako guys, hindi na natin alam yung nangyayari sa buong mundo. Dito sa Amerika, yung weather nila, hindi rin pare-pareho. Kasi kasama yung but still, ano pa rin, heat, cold, sa Pilipinas, now, it's Dubai, according to DA, So, ano lang, pray lang tayo, diba? Pray lang po, and stay safe, everyone. Bye, Tony. Sabi mo, stay safe. Hey, sabi mo, hey guys. Stay safe. 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 Everyone. Nakasan po. Opo. Louder your voice so they can hear you. Yeah. Sabi mo, yeah. You see, I can see because of the sunlight. I can see the road. I can see the road. Yeah, there's a dome on the other side. We've been there, right? Remember? And then this is the other side of the park.
Ba't tinalis mo?
Ayaw niya.
Ah, sisilaw siya.
Oh, kasi there's a sunlight. Very decent.
Sige.
You know, alam niyo naman si Madam. Pag ayaw ni Madam, ayaw niya. Diba, Madam? Right, Madam? Ayan, we're almost done. Natawag kay Marcos. Sige, Lolo.
Kami.
Yeah. You need to wait. Okay, wait for this. Wait for the, okay? Ayan po yung gusto niya. She was so excited. Diyan. Oh, don't touch anything, Tootsie Boot, ha? Alko, nakatayo lang siya dapat. Ayan, pahawakan mo siya dun sa ano. Ayan. Oh, hold tight, oh, Tootsie. Don't, ano, ha? Huwag kang bibitaw, Tootsie. Okay. Tararan, tan, tan. Tootsie, nice? Nice? Sabi mo, nice? Swing, yeah. Oh, nice daw po, guys. Ayan. Yan lang yung mga kaligayahan ni Tootsie. Kita nyo naman, no? Wait lang, mahal ko. Ayusin ko yung damit niya. Wait lang, okay. Sabi mo nga, Tootsie, it's nice? Tootsie, yes. Are you sure? Wow. More? Ha? More?
First.
Teka muna, wait lang. It's really nice to see sa your ano, viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Reverse. Sarap. Yan, para kayo. Diyan sa'yo. Oh, tingnan muna kayo sa amin ni Dick. Tingin muna kayo. Tootsie, oh, say hello. Hi, wait.
Hi.
Sabi mo, I feel good.
Good.
Good. You want more? Let's go na. More, okay, more. How many? Oh, you count muna. Oh, you count muna nga ng 1 to 5. Louder, louder. Oh, okay. Okay, go. 1. Tootsie, you count.
Reverse.
You count muna. Teka muna. Before you go on the other side, just count. 1. 3. What's next on 3?
4, 5.
What else?
Hanggang 4
5. Nakaka-count na yun hanggang 5. Maybe she's not in the mood to count right now kasi she was so excited to be here to play in Little Swing. Right, Tootsie Boot? Ano ba to? Hindi ba swing? I don't know what is the name of this one. Round swing. Tootsie, are you happy? Tootsie, wait, are you happy? Wait, Tootsie, answer me muna. Tootsie, answer Mimi. Are you happy? Okay, you better stop muna, mahal ko. Kasi ayaw niyo sumagot. Are you happy? Tootsie, are you happy?
Yes.
You want more?
Yeah.
O, tingin ka muna dito.
Hi.
Oh, can you count for a while? For
1, 2.
what's next in 2? 2, and then ayaw na niya, talagang gusto niya mag ganito muna, guys. Yan, diyan lang siya masaya. Ayan po yan. Ito lang, diyan lang kami umiikot. Ayan. Mahaba-haba rin. Nandun kami sa isang side na yan. Tapos doon kami ang bahay namin. So medyo mahaba-haba panlakarin yan. Kaya Tootsie, say something. Say something to your ano. Ha? Nasa park daw po siya. Okay, that's enough, Tootsie. That's enough, Tootsie. Okay, no more daw. How many? How many more? 2. Okay, that's enough.
Last round. 4.
Pagod na si Lolo, oh.
Round. Okay. 5. Okay. Reverse, ha? 5 again. Reverse.
Tootsie, hold tight. Tootsie, ha? I don't want you to fall. Oo. Okay, let's go na on the other side. Sa dome.
Here.
Okay. Ah, no, not that way. Ayan po yung aming baby. Ang laki na, no? More. Nako, mama, papa, ito na yung pahirapan yung pag-uwi namin kasi talagang gusto niya tumatagal dito. Yeah, okay.
This one.
Here. Oh,
Okay, dyan na muna, tatawid muna daw siya, mag-hop daw siya. Ayun.
okay, hop, huh? 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop. Woo. 1, 2, 3, hop. Woo.
Oh, sa isa na lang ha, pabalik, wait lang. Dito ko kayo kukunan. Kasi medyo mahirap din yan. Mas maganda dito yung ano.
1, last one. 3. One more.
Yan ang hirap po ni lolo niya sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko kaya yan. Medyo mabigat na po kasi si Tuti. So pag pupunta kami ng park, kailangan na kasama si lolo niya. Dahil kung hindi ko siya maigaganyan-ganyan. Ako taga-luto lang, taga-ligo, taga-linis ng 2 kids. Pero yung mga buhat-buhat, yung lolo niya ang gumagawa. Ang kaya ko palang buhatin ito, minsan kaya ko rin naman siya pero hindi yung pang matagalan. So yung baby lang. Okay, magpapalit na po kami. Ito na po, wait lang po. Hindi, 21 lang.
Tama, hanggang magkarating tayo sa bahay.
Sabi mo, hi guys!
Hi.
I'm so happy
Happy.
and contented. Oh, no. This is not ano.
Come on.
Dirty, ano, look. Dirty and it's hot. And it's, we need to go back.
Wow.
Sige na. Post ka ng beauty queen first. Ayun. Smile. Smile like a beauty queen. Ito ganito to siya. Ayan. Okay. O tapos, wave ng beauty queen. Ayan. And then, that's dan, dararan, dan. Lower naman. Watch me. Sige.
Tara,
O,
let's
say,
go to tea.
Sabi mo na bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. Love you all. Sabi mo na love you.
Love you.
All.
Oh,
Please. Always
please
watch
watch
my
my
vlog. Every day.
Now na, let's go. Oh.
Bye. 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 Sabi mo bye guys.
Bye.
Cold. Ito cold daw.
Mm.
It's sunny and cold and windy. Sabi mo it's sunny. Yeah, it's sunny. Oo, sabi mo na,
There,
it's sunny.
tuti oh, yung birds.
Cold. Cold. Is it cold? And windy. Yeah. Oh, ito siya bird. See the bird? What is the color of the bird? There. What is the color? Oh, what is the color?
Yun yung bird, oh yun.
Black, yeah, black. Oh, there's a poop. Oh my gosh, yuck. Yucky dudes. Iyo. Sabi mo, iyo. Napo kami. Dito lang. Dito lang. Yeah. There's a poop. Lakasan mo, louder. There's a poop. Sabihin mo. Yan o guys, nakita niya may poop daw.
Gusto maglakad yan eh.
Maglalakad. Isama yung baby kasi kawawa. Nag-iba na lang si ate. Si mami. Dito po kayo po. See? Yeah.
Yung flower. Tuti.
Tuti, what is the color of the flower? Ano mo mag-guess?
Yan, tuti. Oh.
Tuti, what is the color of that? What is the color of that? Oh, what is the color?
What color?
Me.
What is the color? What is the color muna? What is the color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
Lapit na tayo. Dito.
Oh, masaya. May tae. May bubo.
Sir.
Hindi, nakakita siya ng bubo. Sabi ko siya, ito. Kumain doon. Oo, na.
Here, tuti. Kami.
There's a car.
Lagas ng hangin. Puno na talaga dito, ano? Wala nang bakante.
Ayan, pakita mo nga ito. Alam niyo ba, mapa and everyone, sabi mo, 2 years ago, mga bahay-bahay.
Puno na. Wala nang vacant. Truck. Lagi na. Dito.
There's a car. Oh, how can we go this way? So we go on the other way. Yeah. No. There's a car. This is the car. This is the best way. Madam.
Cross na, cross.
Okay, let's cross the street. Are you ready to cross the street? Hurry, okay? Hurry kasi hanggang walang car. Come on. Hurry.
Ito na dito. This way.
Nasaan ang bahay natin? Tutsi.
Ito na.
Ikaw, wala na daw yung bahay
Dito, dito.
natin.
Halika na.
Yung bahay natin. Where is our house?
Ayan.
Turo mo nga. Turo mo yung bahay natin. Saan? Saan? I can find. Marco, huwag mong sasabihin. Huwag kang utak. Where is our house? Oh my God, I can see. Where to see? Nasaan yung bahay natin? Saan tayo nakatira? Ha? Doon sinasaan ang bahay natin. Oh. Tingnan natin. Lalagpas ko kami guys ha. Tingnan natin kung alam mo. Nasa kaya yung bahay natin? Saan ang bahay natin? Where is
Yeah.
our house, Susie?
Come on, come on.
Nasa yung bahay natin? Saan? Saan tayo nakatira?
Halika na. Walang tubig na dala yan.
No, this is our house. Susie, look. 13405. Tandaan mo yan ha.
Okay man.
Okay, sige, sige na, mag-good na muna tayo.
Signing off na.
Signing off ka na. So, see here, papahinga muna tayo dito, okay? Sabi mo, guys,
Guys,
Signing off.
thank you
thank you
for watching
watching
my vlog.
Bug.
Namumula.
Look at my face, sabi mo. You're ano,
Lamig eh.
oo, red na yung ganito mo. Okay, sabi mo, thank you
Thank you.
again
Then,
for all
oh,
the support.
for
Until my next vlog,
bug.
Tuti
Tutti.
is signing off.
Bug.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Stand up.
Smith.
And then,
Oh,
wave like a beauty.
bye-bye.
Bye.